peace, and disciplined march symbolize unity and determination, qualities that are at the core of every athletic spirit. The match day is held by Mohammad Lakshan and Rebecca A. of Class 10.
எமது பள்ளி மாணவ கண்மணிகள் அணிவகுத்து வரும் முழக்கமானது இதில் இலக்கு மொழி அடையாது சமுதாயத்தின் சக்தியை புயலாக மாற்றும் இப்புவியின் புதுமையை படைப்போம் என்பதை குறிக்கும் வெற்றி முழக்கத்தை அறிவிக்கும் வாகை பூவினை சூடி அணிவகுத்து வரும் நமது வீரர்கள் வீரமும் நமதே அதை தொடர்ந்து வரும் வெற்றியும் நமதே சாதனையும் நமதே சக்தியும் நமதே சரித்திரம் படைப்போம் வாரி என்பதை எடுத்துரைக்கும் வண்ணம்
Notice how every note and every step they take resonates with the dedication they have put into perfecting their performance. Each instrument, from the commanding drums to the uplifting drums, comes together to create a rhythm that inspires and energizes us all. So, let's celebrate the grand jump for talented band members and the lead away, setting a perfect tempo for the ladies. Their music is not just heard, but felt in the heart of everyone present. As we gather here to celebrate the spirit of sportsmanship and unity, let's not forget that vital energies and music brings to any event. That's right, music has the power to uplift our spirits, and today we have a special treat for you all. The heart-pounding beats and soulful melodies of our talented band set a perfect rhythm to our sports day celebration.
வாத்தியங்கள் இசைக்கருவிகள் மற்றும் சங்கீதம் ஆகியவற்றின் இசை வரிசைகளை மன நிறைவை மகிழ்ச்சியையும் வழங்கிக் கொண்டிருக்கின்றன.
From the powerful drums that echo the nation to the triumphant trumpets that fill the music, each instrument adds its own unique color to our celebration. First up, we have the drums, the backbone of any band, with their deep resonant beats, making everyone sing, much like teamwork in sports.
ஆகா என்ன அழகு பாலத்துடன் சேர்ந்த நடி.
Next up, we have the drummers, bringing their bow side right that add a touch to their song. Just like an actress victory lap, they sing for cheer and celebration. And let's not forget the saxophones with their rich and smooth notes. They add a layer of sophistication and rhythm that makes everyone's way. Finally, the clarinets and trombones, each with their own unique sound, bring a perfect blend of harmony and energy, just like the diverse talents we're celebrating today. So, let's give a huge round of applause to our amazing band. So, let's give a huge round of applause to amazing band. Their music is not only set the pace